Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, we will see how to install a free plugin and enable wallet system on your WooCommerce website. Using the wallet system, customer will be able to purchase products using the wallet. They can add balance to the wallet. They can also transfer the wallet amount to someone else's account. They can request for the withdrawal of their wallet amount to their bank account. And they can also see all the transactions made by the wallet system. Now here is an example of the product I'm going to buy, and here you will see the option to pay using the wallet payment. Let's see, if I want to add balance, I can simply go to this option, add balance, and I can enter the amount that I want to top up, then go to proceed. And using the payment method, I can add rupees 500 to my wallet system. So this is how I can add the balance to my wallet system. Now let's see how does this work on the admin side. If admin wants to add some amount to all the users, they can also add the top up to the wallet of all the users. Here admin can also see the user's wallet account. Admin can also offer the cashback on the wallet system. Admin can also add some amount to the new user. So as a sign-up bonus, they add some amount to the new user registration. Admin can see all the transactions made by wallet. Admin can also enable the wallet cashback. Let's say for each and every transaction or on each and every purchase, they can reward a cashback of 10% or any fixed amount to their wallet. So it will go directly to their wallet. So there are many different features of using this free WooCommerce wallet system. So let's see how does this work.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website, and we are going to install a free plugin that will enable the wallet system on your WooCommerce website. So let's go to the plugins, then go to add new. Now search for wallet system for WooCommerce. So this is the free plugin that we are going to install, and this is developed by WP Swings. So click on install now. Let's click on activate. Alright, so the plugin has been activated, and here you will see the option WP Swings. Then you can go to WP Swings, and here you will see wallet system. Go to wallet system. Now we are on the dashboard of this wallet system, and we will go through the settings. So this is the first setting. We are on the general tab. To use the wallet system, you will need to enable it first. Wallet recharge option should be enabled so that people will be able to recharge the wallet. This is refund to wallet. To enable the refund to the wallet system, you need to enable this one. This is send an email on wallet amount update to customers. So if there is any transaction on the wallet, then they will get an email. Your customer will get an email update. Select partial payment option, manual wallet amount or total wallet amount. Now click on save settings. Okay, now next option is wallet. Go to wallet tab. Now if you want to add some amount to all the users, then you can do it from here. So let's see, I want to add 1000 rupees to all the users. So I'm going to select the amount 1000 and credit. It will be credit and transaction detail. Let's say festival. So this is the festival offer that I'm adding 1000 rupees on all the users wallet system. So let me click on update wallet. Are you sure to update the wallet of all the users? Yes. Now here you will see first all of them have 0 rupees. And once it is updated, you will see that. So now you can see that 1000 rupees has been added to all the users. Now if you want to withdraw, you can do the same thing. You can add the amount that you want to withdraw from all the wallet. Let's say I want to debit 500 rupees from all the users. Then I'll select 500, then I'll make it debit. After that, I'll click on update wallet. Then it will deduct rupees 500 from all the wallet users. Okay, now if you want to do it manually, if you want to add, let's say, 100 rupees to someone's account, 200 rupees to someone's account, then you can create a CSV file, and after that you can upload the CSV file here, and it will then update the wallet of all the users accordingly. Now let's go to the next one, wallet transactions. Now here you will see all the transactions made using the wallet system. So here you will see all the transaction details, the wallet transaction details by all the users on your website. Now here you will see 2 transactions that we added 1,000 rupees to 2 users. Okay, now let's go to the next one, withdrawal request. If someone wants to withdraw the wallet amount to their personal account, then they can do it manually. So here you will see if someone asks for the withdrawal request, then you can approve the request or you can reject the withdrawal request. Now we will see how does this work later. Now this is wallet cashback. Now first you need to enable it. This is process wallet cashback. Select order status to apply cashback. So you can apply a cashback percentage. Let's say you want to add 10% cashback to all the wallet users. So these are the options. You can select fixed amount or you can select percentage of amount. Enter wallet cashback amount. 10% cashback will be added to their wallet. Minimum cart amount should be 10. Maximum wallet cashback amount will be 20. Okay, let's save the settings. Now wallet actions. Okay, want wallet auto top up. So enable wallet auto top up settings. Enter subscriptions per interval 1 day. So these are the subscription based wallet top up. Credit amount on user daily visits. So if someone visits your store daily, then you can also give them a cashback on their wallet. Let's enable daily visit settings. Enter daily visit amount. So you can, let's say if someone visits every day, then they can earn ₹1 every day. Now credit amount on new users registrations. If someone registered to your website, then the new user will get a certain fixed amount of wallet cashback. So let's see, I'm going to enable it, and let's say I want them to receive 50 rupees on the new registration. So the new user will automatically get 50 rupees in their wallet. Now credit amount on comment. So if enable comment settings. So if someone comments on the product or on your website, they will get, let's say, 5 rupees per 1 comment. Let's save the settings. For each comment, they will get 5 rupees. Now this is the next one, the REST API. So these are the API key settings. You will need to enable the key settings and you need to generate the API keys. So if you click on it, it will create the API keys and you can use these API keys in other applications. Now this is system status. This is the information about your plugin. Let's go to overview. So this is all about what you can do using this free plugin. Now let's see, this is the admin account. Now I'm going to log in to the same website as a customer. Here I'm logged in as a customer and this is my account. Right now you do not see the wallet option here. Now let me refresh it. Now here you will see the option wallet because we have enabled the wallet system on our website. Now let's click on wallet. And this is the dashboard of the customer. Here you will see 4 options: add balance, wallet transfer, wallet withdrawal request, and transactions. So if I click on add balance, you will see the option how much you want to add. Let's say I want to add 500 rupees. So let's click on proceed. Here you can top up your wallet using the payment method available on your website. So if I have credit card or UPI, then I can use that payment method and I can pay 500 rupees. And after that, it will be added to my account, right? So let's go back to my account, go to wallet. Now this is the wallet transfer. So here you will see the wallet transfer option. So you can transfer your wallet amount to someone else's account also. So you will need to enter their email address that using which they are registered to this website, and the amount that you want to transfer and the reason that you want to transfer. After that, you can click on proceed and it will get transferred. Now this is the next one, wallet withdrawal request. So how much you want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw 100 rupees, and let's say I want for personal reason, and after that I can request for withdrawals. This withdrawal is done manually, so admin will get the notification about the withdrawal and they will have to approve the withdrawal. It's not the auto system, it is done manually. So let's see, I have applied for 100 rupees withdrawal and it shows the status is pending. Now let's go to the admin account, go to wallet system, and let's see how does this look on the admin's end. Now here you can see withdrawal request. Let's go to withdrawal request, and here you will see that this user has asked for 100 rupees withdrawal. So you can approve it or you can reject it. So let's see, I'm going to approve it, and let's go back to the customer's account, refresh it. Let's go to the wallet, and you will see that 100 rupees is deducted here. It shows 900, and after that I guess the admin will have to process the payment of 100 rupees to your account. Now let's go to the customer end and let's try to place an order. So we are on the shop. I want to buy this t-shirt, so I'm going to add to cart. Let's go to view cart. So this is the product that I want to purchase. Let's go to checkout. Now here are different options available for the payment: cash on delivery, UPI, wallet payment. Here you will see the option wallet payment. So check this option, wallet payment. I'm going to make payment using wallet, and you can place the order. So it will place the order using wallet payment. Now you can see that the order has been done and the payment method is wallet payment. Now let's go back to the account, my account, and go to wallet. And here you will see that the amount has been deducted from this wallet balance. Let's go to orders, and here you will see that the order is placed and it is under processing. Now let's go to the admin and let's go to orders. So this is the new order. These are the order details and the status is processing. Now if you want to refund, you can refund this order. Let's do one thing, we can refund this one, and the refund will be entire amount. And let's click on refund manually. Again, we can cancel this order because we have already refunded it. Let's go back to the customer's account and go to wallet, and here you will see that the amount has been refunded to the wallet. Again, go to orders, and you can see that we have canceled this order and the amount has been refunded. So this is all about the free version of this plugin. They do have a pro version with many other features, and this is the page for the pro version. The price of this pro version is $69 and it has 1 year free support. 30 days money back guarantee is also there, and you will see all the features that are available for the pro version. So definitely there are some added features in the pro version. If you want to enable the wallet system on your WooCommerce website, you can definitely try this plugin. First go with the free version, and if you like it, if you want more features, then you can go for the pro version of this plugin. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.